Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's unique episode, we're going to be unboxing the top 5 budget diecast toys under Rs.500 Episode-02. I was curious to see what I could find online besides diecast motorcycles, and this is what I found. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. Some of these diecast collectibles come in regular window type packaging with all the product branding and information, and most of them just got delivered in plastic wraps or bags. And as you can see, I got all these diecast models online just to see what were the other affordable diecast toys that I could add to my collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at these packagings of these toys before we set these beauties free. Please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast toys away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. And while I get these unpacked, I just wanted to inform you that the color of these diecast toys were randomly sent and there are no options to choose a particular color of your choice. So fingers crossed and hope we get a good range of colors, and stay tuned till the end and don't miss this one-of-a-kind diecast collection. Well, at first glance, these diecast toys look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing, and looks like these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made with high-grade ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a good build quality, and these measure in at 5.5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weigh in about 160 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details, and a simplistic yet spot-on detailing. These models also have free-rolling wheels and a lot more, and a few of them have pullback mechanisms which make them functional too. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are 5 different diecast toys that I bought online under 500 rupees per model. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium diecast toys. Well, let's kickstart this with the all-Indian famous auto rickshaw, which is the most common means of transport in India. And I so wanted this in my collection, especially as it gives me fond memories of the past. Well, this is a pullback diecast collectible, and this model comes in 2 color variations, but I received the yellow and the black variation, as you can see. I'm happy with the sturdiness and the build quality on this one, and I would recommend this to anyone based on the quality, as you will get your money's worth, and this would make an amazing collectible or a memorabilia from the past. And this is the tuk-tuk, which is nothing but a Thai version of the Indian auto rickshaw, which is also the most commonly used means of transport all over Thailand. This diecast model is also quite sturdy, as it's built of metal and a few bits and bobs are made of ABS plastic. But I feel that the build quality could have been a lot better, but keeping in mind the price range, I would say that this is a good buy as well and would make an awesome collectible to your collection. And moving on, here we have a turbo go-kart which is available in 4 color variations. As you can see, I got the red variation and the blue variation. I'm happy with the build quality on these toys, and they are quite sturdy as they are built of diecast, and the functionality and detailing is spot on with these models and would be a fabulous addition to your collection. And this is the diecast golf cart, and I'm thrilled with the details on this one, and considering the price range, I could say that this is an amazing buy, and this is also a pullback diecast model. So keeping these things in mind, I would say that this is a bang for the buck. And since I love golf, I'm thrilled to add this unique collectible to my collection. And finally, we have the Renault Twizy Eco Car. This diecast toy was a bit pricey at the time I bought it, but as it was on sale, I picked it up to add this to a variety of my diecast collection. This model comes in 4 color variations, and as you can see, I got the white variation, which was randomly sent to me. But however, everything looks good with this model, and I'm happy to add this to my collection. And so with that being said, please do let me know in the comments below as to what do you think about this top 5 budget diecast lineup episode 2, and also please do let me know if you would like to see an episode 3 on this. So let's go ahead and see if these 114 scale collectibles match up with my 118 scale diecast collection. This is a licensed 118 scale Suzuki Hayabusa manufactured by Maisto, and this premium model measures in at 5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 120 grams. So I guess by these measurements, the new arrivals should match up with my current 118 scale diecast collection with minor differences. So now let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison to visually clear our doubts. So here we go. Well, as you can see, these models almost match up and pass off as a 118 scale with minor visual differences, but that's okay as we got quite premium model diecast toys for a good price, which is a bang for the buck. And this makes me happy and brings a smile to my face that I made a choice to get these diecast toys, and moreover that I'll be able to add this entire collection to my ever-growing diecast collection. And with these models you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or hobbyist. Well, before we wind up, I just wanted to throw in 2 additional models that I picked up. This is the Southeast Asian variation of the all-famous auto rickshaw, and this is an extended version of the auto rickshaw that is commonly used to transport goods locally. I hope you like them, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these collectibles are your favorites. And with that out of the way, now let's take a look at these diecast beauties individually and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast models in the description below. And let's now take a look at the all-famous Indian auto rickshaw. Well, it looks like this is going to be an amazing diecast collectible to my collection. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the tuk-tuk. Well, despite the quality, the looks on this one is simply spot on. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the turbo go-karts. Well, looks to me like these premium diecast collectibles are spot on and ready for racing. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the golf cart. Well, I'm really amazed with the intricate details and the functionality on this particular go-kart. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the Renault Eco Car Twizy. Well, I really love the premium quality of this Renault Twizy. So now with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at another variation of the auto rickshaw. Well, despite the flimsy quality of this particular model, I really love the intricate details this comes with. So now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at an extended cargo version of the auto rickshaw. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these collectibles, be it for looks or even functionality. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. Here are a few fun facts. The term diecast toy here refers to any toy or collectible model produced by using the diecasting method of putting molten lead or zinc alloy in a mold to produce a particular shape. Such toys are made of metal with plastic, rubber, glass or other machined metal parts. Wholly plastic toys are made by a similar process of injection molding, but the two methods are distinct because of the properties and the materials used. The metal used in the diecasting is either lead alloy. The term white metal or pot metal are also used when applied to alloys based more on lead or iron. The most common diecast vehicles are scale models of automobiles, aircrafts, military vehicles, construction equipment and trains. Although almost anything can be produced by this method, like Monopoly game pieces, furniture handles or metal garden sprinklers. And for further information on diecast toys, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these premium diecast toys that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these budget diecast models are your favorite. Kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for a lot of informative and fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review and comparison episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.